Have you been in this situation where you need to reach out to a person that's able to help you in your Excel work and the person need to access to your own actual file and you have the fear of the PNC data being leaked out? So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you're able to get this thing done, scramble your actual data, and the person able to maintain the actual view of your file. So there are a few steps we are able to get this thing done super easy with Excel. The first step what you need to do is to select the whole worksheet and use Ctrl G, means go to. Then you select there's a button called Special on the bottom left. Go to Constants and make sure you do not select numbers. You only select the text. Then press OK. And you can see only the text are highlighted. So first steps, after you selected the text, now you want to scramble the text. The most common alphabet found in the text, they are vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The easiest way to scramble it is to replace the A, E, I, O, U, the vowels, to another alphabet. The easiest way to find and replace is use Ctrl H. It means find and replace. You want to find alphabet, the vowel A, replace with another vowel, perhaps W. Then you can hit the button called Replace All. Now everything has been replaced. And now I continue with the second vowel, E, replace with the same vowel, replace all. And I replace with I, replace all. O, replace all. And finally, U, replace all. What you can notice, all the vowels now has been changed and the thing is not easy to read. If you want to go a little bit further, you can replace another vowel, maybe there's another T, replace all. So this is how you are able to scramble it further. So at the end, the person is not easy to know what is the data you are looking for. After you have done, if you want to replace on a certain number where you want to scramble, for example, the salary, you want to scramble it. Now you just select the particular column where it has numbers, then you can press Ctrl G. Same thing, just to make sure you do not select any formulas. Otherwise, the find and replace may scramble your formula, so it will screw up your whole worksheet. So I press Special and go to Constants. Make sure you only select the numbers and uncheck Text, Logical, and Errors. Press OK. You can see all the numbers are selected. Same process again. Ctrl H. Find alphabet. Find number 5. Replace with 1. Replace all. And 5. Maybe you want to find number 4. Replace with 1. And you want to find another number, maybe number 8. Replace with 1. And the whole thing has been changed from the actual state. And what you can see, this simple step, you are able to scramble your data and the person is able to work with the file, has no idea what's data, but the person able to know what's the formula, everything still stay intact. So if you like this video and benefiting from this video, I would love to have you to like, comment and share this to your friends and colleagues so that they are able to learn the same thing as you do and they're able to benefit and have more time for themselves and their family. And my name is Tai, your Excel Sifu from Excel. Take care and stay safe. Bye.